Hi guys, in this video we will learn about what is Blender and how you can use it and why it's useful for you guys, right? So Blender is a platform, you can see it over here. So there you can directly add the GitHub repository, okay, the link of it, and then you add the path of the notebooks. So instead of cloning the repository on your local system and running it, okay, you can use Binder and directly have it a URL. Okay, so what you can do, just copy the GitHub repository link, okay, add it here. Then you can add specific notebook if you have it. So just copy the link of it or URL, okay, and what you can do is just launch. Okay, it will take some time and then you will have it here on this URL. Okay, and directly you can interact with it. It will create an environment for you, and then you will able to use it without any issues. Okay, so this is a way how you can use it, the printer. Okay, and it's very useful when there are a lot of notebooks you see on a GitHub and you want to interact with it without cloning it and making it a local environment. You can use it, the bin. Another one that I showed you before was code spaces. Directly just click the code spaces and you'll able to use it, right? So like here, code spaces, and add it. Click this button and you will able to see a VS Code. So I hope you liked it and thank you for watching.